We're starting a walking tour in Budapest. It's a beautiful day. A little chilly, maybe a little wet. Oh, but I'm breathing heavy because Nancy realized she had lost her gloves. So I had to run back and find them. We're in the middle of our walking tour. Behind us is the Pest side, and ahead of us is the Buda side. So the tour was really cool. We're now on the Fisherman's Bastion. This is what the beef goulash looks like. And Nancy got the chicken paprika. Lunch was good at Pest Buda. A little expensive.
Yeah, I wouldn't go there again. No,
we got a little bit gouged there. Cool car back here. Soviet era limousine. It's called like a ZIS 110. So we learned something else very valuable. Last night we did a little jaywalking like we usually do in large cities. And we're the only ones who went. Even a young kid in a leather jacket didn't go. So we thought maybe we had done something pretty bad. Turns out we had. Jaywalking in Budapest is actually frowned upon. And not only that, if the police see you doing it, they'll come and hassle you. So be aware of...
Hassle? I think they charge you.
In Hungary, don't jaywalk. We think the sun's gone down because it's gotten a little chilly. It's hard to say though, because we haven't seen it all day. Yeah, it's 3:30. Anyway, that's what happens when you travel this time of year. But we're heading over to the actual castle that was bombed at one time and rebuilt. I think it was rebuilt by the Soviets. It was built originally by the Habsburgs. Those guys are everywhere. This is also the National Gallery of Art. They've got some exhibit going on here with Bacon and Freud, and I'm not exactly sure what this girl's doing to this cat. Alright, so that was fun and a first for both of us. We found a little Christmas market here. This is what we've been looking for.